Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're getting this type of problem, no service problem on your iPhone or iPad device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here you can see that here I'm facing no service or no signal problem on my iPhone device. So how you can fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device? So first of all, here you will have to open setting. Then after that, first of all, here we have to turn off the airplane mode on my iPhone device. Then after 15 seconds, we will have to turn off this. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open setting, then here scroll it below, then tap on general here. Then after that, here again scroll it down, then here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then after that, here we have tap on reset network settings. Here we have to enter our iPhone passcode. Then after that, check that a problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Here we have to simply force restore iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. Then after that, check that a problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open setting here. Then after that, here we have to scroll below, then tap on general. Then after that, here tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then we'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after updating your iPhone device to the latest version, then check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open setting, then scroll it below, then tap on general here, then again scroll it below. Then here we have to tap on about. Then here we have to scroll it down. Here we have to search for carrier. So here is carrier. We have to tap on this, and from here we have to update the carrier setting if any update available here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're getting still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open setting, then tap on screen time here. Then again scroll below, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, here we have to turn this off toggle from here. Then after that, go back, again open setting, then scroll it down, then tap on general here. Then after that, here again scroll it below, then tap on VPN and device management. And here we have to disconnect with VPN if you're connected with any VPN. And after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and no network problem will be resolved on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.